The FISHBIO team is getting ready to transport and install a newly built piece of equipment. It's a new elevator for a Riverwatcher fish counting system that will go inside this 15-foot tall fish ladder. A Riverwatcher uses an infrared scanner and video camera to capture images and data of every fish passing through its tunnel. Biologists with the Santa Clara Valley Water District hope to count fish and clean their Riverwatcher system without needing to enter the fish ladder. That's where the elevator comes in. First up, installing a custom fish screen to direct fish through the Riverwatcher system. Next, it's time to install the Riverwatcher in the custom-built elevator. The elevator will lower and raise the system in and out of the fish ladder. After connecting all necessary wires and mounting the Riverwatcher in the elevator, it's time to test it out. Once the computer system is installed, the Riverwatcher is ready to go. With the help of the elevator, the Santa Clara Valley Water District will be able to maintain their Riverwatcher system, as well as safely and efficiently count fish.